Hi everybody, this is CR number 9, helper video number 2, and it looks like we are only working on some distributive in this problem. So we're going to go ahead and start by rewriting the problem down here so we can show some work. And remember, when we start doing distribution, we always circle what's on the outside of the parentheses and we include the sign with whatever that number is. So right now our number isn't just 4, it's -4 because we have to circle both. Now the first thing I like to do is my integer rules. So a negative times a positive is a negative, and 4 times a is 4a. And then once again I do my integer rules. A negative times a negative is a positive, and 4 times 3 is 12. So remember, when we distribute, all we're doing is multiplying the outside term by each term inside the parentheses. Make sure you follow your integer rules. Use your calculator if you have to. -4a plus 12 looks like this is our answer right here. Good luck with that one.